Dear HDB owners, are you trying to sell your HDB via DIY portal but all you're getting are low-ball offers? Is your BTO or executive condominium coming and yet you still haven't managed to sell your HDB flat? Are you getting frustrated with lots of viewings and still not able to sell your HDB flat? Besides engaging a professional agent, we need to leverage technology in today's market. Our proprietary in-house AEG technology helps you to achieve faster and better results. Our Repost Guru AI reposting technology ensures that your listing is always at the top page so that your house gets maximum exposure even when an agent is conducting a viewing. Our SMS Guru co-broking technology helps broadcast your house to the entire network of agents marketing nearby properties to help bring their buyers to your unit. Once the buyers fall in love with your house, then at this moment, it is just a matter of price. With our Shake to Close technology, a shake of my phone and I'm able to pull up pricing analytics instantly to convince buyers why your unit is worth the price. With our proprietary in-house AEG technology, we are able to help you achieve a sale in the shortest time and highest price possible. With such extreme exposure, it is therefore important to prepare your house in the best form. That's why we offer home staging services to capture the hearts of the buyers. We believe that each home must be dressed up for success to raise the perceived value of your flat. Our AEG media team will do video marketing and upload on our media platforms, which has been optimized over the last few years. Contact our salesperson from OrangeTee and Thai AEG division to market your property now.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.